Node fundamentals. So what is Node.js? Node.js is a JavaScript runtime environment that allows JavaScript to run outside the browser on a server or local machine. And what does Node.js differ from running JavaScript in a browser? Well, the main difference between them is the environment they run in. JavaScript runs inside a web browser, so it has access to the DOM and the browser APIs. And Node.js runs outside the browser, providing access to file system, operating system, and networking. What is the V8 engine and how does Node use it? So it is Google's JavaScript engine that converts JavaScript into optimized machine code. And Node.js uses this engine as a core engine and extends it with additional APIs that allow server-side capabilities like file system access and networking. What are some key use cases for Node.js? Well, the most common use cases for Node.js include building backend APIs, web servers, command line tools, real-time applications. The main difference between common JS and ES modules is that ES module is used for is more common in modern front-end development, and common JS is more traditionally used for modules. So let's look at them. Common JS uses require to import modules and module export to export code, while ES modules is more straightforward. It uses export to export files and import to import files. How Node is different from browser JavaScript. So in browser JavaScript, we use window and document to interact with web pages and the DOM. And in the Node, they just simply don't exist. So we use global for global scope object. Process gives us information about the running program. Underscore dir name, it's a current folder path, and underscore file name, it's a current file path. Another major difference is file system access. Node.js can read and write files using modules like FS, but browser JavaScript cannot do this because of security restrictions. Speaking about event loop and asynchronous programming, so since Node.js uses a single threaded event loop to handle asynchronous operations, instead of blocking the program while doing slow tasks like reading files, network requests, Node delegates these tasks and continues running other code. And when that task is finished, then Node uses callbacks, promises, async await to return the result. This allows Node to handle multiple operations efficiently at the same time.